Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to set up an email signature with a logo dynamically in Salesforce. First, click on your user icon in the top right corner of Salesforce. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, use the Quick Find search box and type My Email Settings. Click on the option that appears to open the email signature section. Now, in the email signature field, we'll add a small piece of HTML to display your logo. Insert the HTML snippet provided and replace the image URL with the direct link to your logo. To get this URL, find your logo online, right-click the image, and choose Copy Image Address or Copy Link. Paste it into your HTML snippet where it says your image URL. After adding the logo, personalize the rest of your signature by including your contact information. You can also use merge fields like sender first name, sender last name, and sender title to automatically pull your Salesforce data into the signature. Finally, scroll down and click Save to apply your changes. Your dynamic email signature with your logo is now ready for all outgoing emails. And that's it. You've successfully set up a professional branded signature in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.